lot of pleasure selling horses and seeing them race. And first thing we done was yearlings for sales. So that's how we got started. And so that's 40 years ago we've done that. So it's all been very good.
We moved to down here on the Downs, and that's basically when our interest in harness racing really kicked off, and we started out with 2 broodmares, and that horse then went on to win quite a number of Group 1 races and ending up winning for us all over Australia, something like 530,000. So that sort of got us started, and from that we've built on that, and now we've got quite a nice select brand of broodmares.
Egmont has been here for many years. I've been with Stud for going on 30 years. The area here is great for growing young horses. Queensland's temperature and gives us a great opportunity to grow our young horse into bigger and better horses.